here we go with that sound. I don't know. I don't know what that is. I'm trying to make as many videos of it as I can, but I don't know what that is. Kind of disappears after 50. I almost hear it right now while I'm off the gas, just coasting. Didn't used to notice it then. I caught a light. I'll go ahead and pause it. Can't really get any speed. I keep so much traffic. Speed limit's 45. I can't really get up to that. Now in the Hondas, I know the planetary gears, usually when you take off from a stop, there's always kind of a little bit of a, almost like a when you first take off from a stop in first gear. That's normal, especially when you kind of go fast from a stop. But strange, it seems to be like kind of a lot like that normal sound, but not. I've heard some people say that it's the like the A pipe on the exhaust, and other people say that it's some people say it's the A pipe on the exhaust. Other people say that it could actually be the a transmission mount. Or I'm scared it's a torque converter. I'm scared that it's a bearing internally inside the torque converter, or somewhere where the torque converter and transmission link up. Alright guys, figure I'd document that. See what anyone thinks. I'll link this up to the forums. Drive Accord Accurazine. We'll see what y'all think. Alright, thanks. Take care.